For Wattson Mobility, ProPlanner is essential for the professional management of our vehicle fleet. Wattson Mobility chose ProPlanner at the time because the software we previously used did not sufficiently meet the expectations we had, and because we are convinced that ProPlanner provides a solid foundation to enable our further growth. Since we are a rapidly growing company, we also needed many connections with other software, and that's where ProPlanner can step in and in the meantime also realizes those connections. Wattson Mobility has quite recently built an entirely new website, and with that we have also integrated it with ProPlanner, because for us it is essential that when a customer wants to make a reservation for a specific vehicle at a particular Wattson Mobility location, they can immediately find the correct information through our website. And thanks to the web module from ProPlanner, and thus the live connection between the web module and ProPlanner itself, we always have up-to-date information on our website so that no misunderstandings can arise with our customers. When a customer comes to rent a vehicle, we refer to this as a checkout that needs to be performed. The vehicle leaves from our location. The strong point of ProPlanner is that this checkout process can be carried out completely automatically. Together with the customer, we then inspect the vehicle, both the interior and the exterior. Any existing damage is already automatically listed on the document that the customer receives, and afterwards it is also much easier to register any additional damage without the risk of disputes with the customer. Wattson Mobility currently has 3 main locations, one in Dierlijk, one in Roeselare, and one in Leerdam. The aim is to further expand these main locations, and we are convinced that this growth can only be achieved by establishing a very strong relationship with our customers. We refer to this as client centricity, and for that ProPlanner is of course also very effective, because we can create a contract with our customer in a very short time, one that is legally watertight, and where our customer perceives the professionalism of ProPlanner as the professionalism of Wattson Mobility. And in the past, we had a lot more manual work involved, whereas now we can handle everything in the process from A to Z in a fully and fairly automated way. The collaboration with ProPlanner is going very smoothly. The support department is also very easy to reach. We really have nothing but positive praise for that. The most urgent questions or technical problems that arise are actually handled almost immediately. So that's really perfect. Wattson Mobility currently closes more than 10,000 contracts per year, which means that there is an enormous amount of data present in ProPlanner. The big advantage of ProPlanner is that various reports are provided as standard in ProPlanner, which make it possible to monitor that data. This way, we can steer our decisions and our business operations in the right direction. The fact that ProPlanner can also automatically process fines is a very important added value for Wattson Mobility. All we actually have to do is forward the fine to an email address within ProPlanner, and they take care of the rest. At Wattson Mobility, we focus heavily on automation, and ProPlanner plays a very big role in that.